guys. Everybody can hear me. Yeah, that's good. So guys, this is the analysis for the week. Let's see what we have for the moment. So guys, hope you guys can see my chart. So this is the only trade we took this week. If you guys know, I came back from holidays on Wednesday. So here. So I didn't even touch the market. I touched the market here on the 25th of June, and when it broke structure here, when this candle broke, I took this buy here, then I took another buy here. So I took these two trades, and then I didn't trade. Well, there's no trades here. Price was still on an uptrend in this area here. You guys can see, put the fib here, so you guys can see here. So you guys can see here, price was still on an uptrend. So price closed high here, 20% was respected. You could take a buy here and until here maybe. Has a nice trade here on Monday, because you have confluence here, bullish engulfing on 20%, broke the SMAs and the MAs, kind of like a bullish engulfing, but you can take this trade. If you guys want to see, you can see in 1 hour. Let's see 1 hour. So it's 1 hour bullish engulfing right here, respecting it, creating a support level, and you guys can see here that price respected here. If you guys want to see as well, 30 minutes there, bullish engulfing there, another touch here, and it created support here on 30 minutes. So you can see everything adds up to it. So you guys can see why we could have taken this trade. So after that, price decided he respected the monthly major, and on the weekly you guys can see that price is in an area that he hasn't been here since 2022, and you guys can see here created support in this level here, support now, sorry, resistance on this level here, and this level is very respected on the weekly. As you can see, he kind of broke it, but you guys know that you need the other candle to come up and confirm that break. This is no break, so price rejected that zone. Yeah, price rejected that zone. On a daily, is the same thing. Like all time frames are doing the same thing. Like daily, well, not weekly. Weekly is doing the same thing. Daily and 4 hours, they're all in sync, and that's perfect because our trades is easier to trade. So yeah, I didn't trade none of this. This for me is consolidation. Literally, there's no specific trend here. It's a mix between green candles and red candles, so I didn't take nothing on it. So let me analyze this with you guys. So okay, price was here on Tuesday, and I put this support line. Let's take this golden zone. Yeah, so I put this support line here on Tuesday, as you can see. No, Monday, sorry. Monday created a support, put a support line, respected on Tuesday. No trades, no trades, no trades. Wednesday, no trades. And Thursday at 10 a.m. So this is what happened. Because price created a low here on Wednesday. So meaning that you guys can see something right there. High. This is not even a higher low, guys. This is literally a consolidation, and this is literally support. So high is here, low is here. So high, low. So you guys are not confused. Right here. So price did this, came back, created a new high. Put it right here. Why So price came up, created a new high. It came back here, created a new higher low. It started to create lower highs. So what I mean by that is higher low, lower highs, lower low, low highs, equal lows, equal lows, equal lows, equal lows. It broke structure here, and you guys can see here this line was the breaker structure. So when it broke structure here, I took the trade, but I didn't take the trade just because it broke structure. I took the trade because we have uh, a pattern here, and this pattern is a symmetrical triangle, if I'm not wrong. No, sorry guys, descending triangle. This is a descending triangle, so you're creating low high, low high, low high, and you created a low here, low high. When it broke that, so I have that as a confluence. One confluence broke the symmetric triangle. Another confluence broke the breaker structure. We have two confluence. Another confluence, bearish engulfing. So we have three confluences. The only minus here is that this green candle here, because this green candle, it broke like that, it closed like that, meaning that it didn't break proper structure. So I was already in the trade. I know why I entered. My stop loss is protected. So I waited for it to retest this area. That's why on Friday, guys, I told you guys you can enter when it breaks this low here. Let me take this for now. You can take when it breaks this low here. And it broke and it paid you guys. So after you did this, you guys have another confluence. Another bearish engulfing, respected the new resistance now, and it's coming down. So you guys have another confluence adding to these confluences here. So at least you have 4 confluence. That's enough for you guys to take a sell in here. And he paid for me when I entered here. He paid, and you guys saw I didn't even need to go to 1 hour. Everything I did 74 pips. So if you go to 1 hour, let's go 1 hour. No, I was gonna take the same entry right here and right here when he broke this. So you guys even can do something like analysis here. Go to 30 minutes, wait for 30 minutes to break it, respect it, broke it. Yeah, you have another entry here, but here it didn't give you no entries here. No, I want to enter there. So yeah, guys, that's how I'll deal with this trade. So you paid 75 pips. You guys can see in the profit section my entries and my exits. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do every single day after market. I left it is in purpose here so you guys can see. So I took here because let's I didn't show you guys the so yeah, right here I did this. So here price came back, created a low high here. It came down, created a new low. So what I did is close this here to here. Came, created a low high, came back, respecting the low, respecting the low, respecting the low. So I did this, new high to new low there. So when it broke that, when this candle broke, I will draw this trend line, fib. It came, created a new low high, new low low, low high. It's not even a low high because it didn't reach the 38%, so I don't count this a low high. 20% is like a support level for me. So we created a new support and it came straight down. So my TPs were the 27 target right here. And you could take a TP on the 61 too. So I took profit here at 24 pips, and I took the rest around here, this area here. So yeah, guys. Let's see my entry was around this leg here. Yeah. So that's literally what I did. But the trade paid 73 pips. So Confluence paid 74 pips. So we have broke descending triangle, bearish engulfing, charge it to the downside, back charge it to the downside, retested, button. So Confluence by 74 pips. So what I do is I screenshot this, I copy link, sorry it's not screenshot, I copy link, I come here, I press down here. Let me see these guys, just a second so I don't copy both. Yeah, so you guys can see here, when he did this, he paid 23 pips. I took some profit here. Then he did this, 73 pips. So what you guys literally could do is, I trade here 23 pips, and then I trade here by your entry. My entry here probably would have been not here because next to the thing, maybe around here. Stop loss here, and the TP, the 61% was here, 46 pips. There. Yeah. 2 trades. Literally 2 trades, guys. So yeah. Not here. So this, you guys can see this is what I do every single day. I analyze, reanalyze, and I post it here. So Confluence strategy work. Now we're going to clear everything. 74 pips. And collected 30 pips. So okay. You guys know sometimes I take 20 pips and put up, I go to put trade at break even. But I'm starting to change that slowly, guys. Today is gonna be tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be the 14th. Yeah, I'm starting to change that slowly to my take profits now gonna be 25. My take profits now is gonna be at the 27% and 64%. So I'm gonna start taking profits at 20 pips. I'm gonna stop, sorry, taking profits at 20 pips. So I'm gonna explain to you guys now. So let's go back, leave that there. So this is gone, 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 gone. You can leave that there. This is gone. This, wait a bit, you can stay there. So now let's go back. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, so let's go to monthly. Monthly is gonna finish soon. Month is literally bearish. It's bullish, but this candle is proper bearish. So we need to really be careful with it. We might reach a point that it's gonna come down. This is crazy. Yeah. So keep eye on monthly. Keep eye on monthly, guys. We might do a bearish engulfing, or we just a pullback to continue up, because we're in the middle of the month. And first things first, guys. Let's see this week. So Monday we have nothing. We have bank holiday, so we can trade Monday, no problem. Tuesday we have CAD CPI and US CPI at the same time, so I'm probably gonna trade. If I find a trade in the morning, I'll take that quickly and try to put in profit. If he's not in profit by 1:30 or he's playing against around my entry, I'll close it, and then after news pass, I'll analyze again and enter. And GBP, you have red folder there too, and then GBP on Wednesday CPI. So we need to be really, really careful this week, especially Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday's fine. Yeah, Thursday's fine, and Friday's fine. So Tuesday and Wednesday we really need to be careful, guys. I'll say if you can find a trade here around this time, wait for CPI to finish and start to analyze it, and then we have the whole afternoon to take trades. But be careful with 9 p.m. And then at 7 a.m. You shouldn't have no trades at 7 a.m. If it's in profit, put it to break even, and save your profits. Then analyze it again, because you have CPI, then you have PPI. I'll probably trade in the afternoon on Wednesday if I don't have a trade on afternoon Wednesday, and on Tuesday probably gonna trade on afternoon if there's nothing in the morning. Yeah, guys, that's the plan for this week. So Monday's okay, Tuesday afternoon, Wednesday afternoon, and wait, no, yeah, Tuesday afternoon, Wednesday afternoon, Thursday and Friday we are free to trade. Yep. So okay. So see monthly. You have nothing to do with monthly. Price is still bullish on a monthly. We're just probably creating a bearish engulfing. On the weekly, price is coming down hard, literally. So you guys can see it's already at 78%. We might do a full retracement. We don't know. Let's wait and see. But looking at weekly, we're still bullish, but this candle is very strong. It's very, very strong. We need to really be careful with this candle, because the next candle might retrace a little bit, then we continue going down to 130, 133.7. If it breaks that, you guys know that we on the sell on the weekly, and we can start taking hard sells. Daily, and it broke the EMA, so you guys can see. I think it's gonna come, fill this gap here, then continue going down. That's what I think. Oh, we already created a new ILO right here. So, but we need to wait and see. Now, daily. Daily is literally doing the same thing as 4 hours. So you guys can see, created a oh, let's struggle to see where it is. I think it's here, right? Here to here. High, low here, broke structure here, this confirmed breaker structure. So price daily broke structure. So right here we can add 4 hours and daily to the downside. So we can close this, is gone. So price is becoming, chart is becoming more clear. So I see continuation to here. So it breaks that 37 pips, not bad. We can do that for Monday trade. Four hours. Point A, point B, point C. Price is really, really, really on a bearish momentum at the moment, guys. So we gotta be careful with it. So where can I put my fib? second, guys. I'm still here. I'm just analyzing. That's okay. So quiet. Yeah, I'm not gonna come down. Not gonna come down, guys. So for me, that's daily. This week is too big. Literally too big for hours. Almost weekly. Wednesday the second. Second, yeah. That's all it is, no? Yeah. No, I'm not counting that. On the daily, I'm not counting that, guys. So I'm putting my daily 38% here. Come on. That's my daily 38. Daily 38 right here. Daily 38 here. Okay. 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 Let's see. Yeah, that's right. And now, let's see. So one side. I'm trying to see if I put my fib here or here. Here or here. Because if I put it here to here, it pull back. You guys can see it pull back. And it broke all. Yeah, I think I'm right. I'll put it here. 100%. Yeah, I'll put it here. And he didn't touch TP yet on this trade. Because he came, pull back to the 23% and it came here. If you see 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour, there's support here 1 hour. That's it. No, done that. Where is it? Is it this one? That's 1 hour. can take 10 pips, that's too low. That's too low. Don't like that. Too low, I don't like that. Because it's gonna come here and bounce. You might come here and bounce 11 pips. Maybe it'll be 43 pips. And if I put it here, 23 is still there. 30 is still here. And 20% is here. So I should put 67, target 67. So we are bearish on all time frame, guys. All time frame we are bearish. You can see bearish on the 1 hour, 30 minutes. Bearish everywhere. We're not only bearish on weekly and monthly. That's the only place that we are not bearish. But the rest we are bearish everywhere. So yeah, guys, that's the analysis. What I'll do, I want market to come up and retest this area or this area, like come here and go like that, or come here and go like that. That's what I want market to do. But market doesn't do what we want, it does whatever he wants. So this is the analysis for literally this, maybe this week, because we have CPI US, CPI UK. It might move a lot. So we don't know what's gonna happen. We don't know what that target's gonna be on a daily. Here to here. You see, daily can come and come all the way to the 60% targets. That's the daily 27%. So we really don't know what's gonna happen. These are all areas of entry. So for sales. So just when it comes to this area, keep looking for bearish engulfing. When it comes to this area, same thing. When it comes to this area, same thing. Look for, let me show you guys, look for this. See? Look for this. Let me show you what you're gonna look for. Look for this. Okay? I'll literally mark it out to you guys. Look for this. Look for these areas. Look for this. Look for this. I'll show you. Let's see again. I know here when. Look for this, guys. I'm just looking this shit. Look for this. Look, you see? Bullish engulfing. You can take it here. We paid. Look for this. This is literally all there. See? Broke. resistance, broke, retested, take it. Look for this. See, there's so many examples I can give you what to look for in these major areas. There's so many examples, guys. So many that I can give you to look for when it gets to that area. So many, so many. So yeah, guys. Any questions? Let me know. I'll leave this chat like that. I'll upload it to the thing. Maybe at 10. I'll wait for 10 p.m. until I upload it because a lot of stuff might happen at 10 p.m. because Trump put tariffs on Euro, Brazil. So we need to see how the market's gonna react to that. And yeah, guys, that's it for me today. Hope you guys enjoy this weekly recap. And remember, you have CPI. Yeah, you have CPI on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then you're free to trade. I advise you guys to trade on Tuesday afternoon and Wednesday afternoon. That's the best. If you see a proper setup, take it, but just be careful with that news. Let me know if you have any questions, and yeah, guys, peace.